Omron CX Designer software tool, which are useful for making a graphical interface of NS series Omron HMI. It have wide range of features like drag and drop components, animation, data logging, multiple languages, simulation function, and integrates with other Omron automation software. Open your CX Designer and create a new project. In New Project window, select Model NO of your Omron HMI, or you can also select Omron Runtime, then select Version of your HMI screen, enter project title, location of HMI file, and click OK. In Omron CX Designer, black is by default screen background color. To change background color and other property of your screen, select Open Screen or Sheet property, and then select Background or Other tab, and then select background color. You can simply drag and drop to add component in your HMI screen. CX Designer use component like buttons, switches, indicators, graphs, alarms, data logger, and more. Here I am adding a buttons and a lamp for making simple project. Add a label to identification of your component. Add name, resize as you want. Here I am making a simple program for CX Designer, and you make your own. If you have any difficulty, please write a mail and leave a comment. In below example, in first rung has simple momentary push buttons program, and second rung I am using 1 second pulse tag for generating pulse at every 1 second. Third rung I have a timer TIM instruction. For more information of Omron timer, link in description. I am adding some more component which are required for our program. Data logger used for storing tag value in database for future use. We discuss about some other video. So in Omron you can add data logger component for storing a tag into database. You can change style, background color. In our case, I am using this data logger for timer. We know TIM is BCD type timer. Our timer number is T0000, so same address we used in data logger address play a very important role when we communication PLC to HMI or PLC to other like SCADA, OPC server, etc. And we know TIM is BCD one word type timer, so select everything same. For assigning a PLC tag required knowledge of addressing of data type. In our case for on momentary push button I am assign a address 0.00 on button and 0.01 for off button and 0.02 for output, so same address I am assign in our HMI component. We have timer. Timer no is T0000 and data type is one word BCD. So always assign all the related parameter for proper watch complete video. Here I am changing address, so now new address is 1.0, so one word and 0 is a bit. For example, if your address is 3.4, so word is 3 and bit is 4. This input field changed the timer value. When timer run, predefined timer value is 100 seconds. So same address we use to write a timer value. CX Designer has a functions to test your program by using CX Designer Simulator, and you can also connect Omron PLC Simulator for testing a program with Omron controller and run all the function. For making this possible, go to Tools, then test your program, select CX Simulator, and you ready for simulation. CX Programmer used for making a program for Omron PLC, while CX Designer used for design and development of Omron HMI. If you don't have any physical device, then you can use Simulation Omron. For connect CX Designer to CX Simulator, first start Simulator in CX Program, and then start a test HMI as mentioned above in CX Designer.